iMaily.
A no wipe top coat, a base coat. This is, the name is pronounced iMaily. Checking for allergies, etc. On this side here, you do have a listing of the ingredients, and many of you that may have found out if you're allergic to gel, or maybe it is a particular ingredient in the gels, you do have this list of ingredients.
First, you would want to have your hands already clean. Go ahead and just push back your cuticles and just take off the shine. Just like that, and wipe off any dust, any oils that are on your nail. A little stir. They usually don't have much odor at all, not compared to a typical polish. You simply, I like to put it on the ends of my nails first. Then I go and push up close to the cuticle. Do not get it on your skin. What this does, it protects your nails from any staining, and it helps adhere the gel to your nail. For top coat, I do the same thing as the base. I apply it to my tips first. It's just easier. And then get a little bit more on your brush and just push it up. You want to cap that free edge. That seals it in. Again, don't get it on your skin.